So for those of you who may or may not know, I'm what we call a professional wrencher. I take wrenches and I build things all day. Mainly we just deal with drones, and all day long we are tightening small metric screws like M3, M4 hex screws. But we've been building so many drones that recently I needed to find a tool that could tighten these bolts faster, but do it easily and be kind of lightweight. This thing is the greatest wrenching tool ever. This is by DeWalt. This is called the DCF680. So this cordless screwdriver is absolutely amazing. It's changed the game for wrenching for me. So it's powered by their 8-volt max lithium-ion battery, rechargeable, comes with 2 in the package. It can collapse from a straight screwdriver into like a right-angle drill. So that's really handy. Really like that. Battery indication light, which is great. LED on the front, like a flashlight, so you can see where you're looking. And the coolest thing about this is it's triggered by gyroscopic technology.
Gyroscopic technology. Gyroscopic technology.
Three favorite features. Number 1, the fact that, as I mentioned, it's gyroscopic controlled. So instead of having like a forward and reverse, you just press and hold the button, and then to turn right, turns it to the right. Left, goes to the left. Next, it's got like a hex, like a normal hex chuck on the front, which makes it great. I've been using these MIP Bit Drivers that I found, just a regular quarter hex for the MIP drivers, and I found these in 2, 2.5, and 1.5 millimeter. So that's perfect for most hobby and drone and UAV applications. And then lastly, my other favorite feature is a clutch. It's got a clutch. So setting it from 1 to 15, so that way when it reaches a certain torque, it just applies the clutch, and I can't over tighten a bolt. I highly recommend you take a look at this thing, the DeWalt DCF680. I'll post links below where I got it, as well as these hex tips. So yeah, happy wrenching.